Fleet Response is an accident management company. What we allow all of the companies out there that have fleet vehicles to be able to do their daily jobs while we manage the fleet for them and do what it is that's needed for them. We take care of anything from accident management to glass claims, to tow claims, to rentals, even maintenance.
From a corporate perspective, we reduce costs, we manage process, we deliver data, and we do it in a way that fits their corporate culture. Fleet Response is a company that doesn't say no. When we're working with our customers, our clients, and our employees, we definitely like to say yes.
We really empower our employees, and part of that is in allowing them to make decisions, part of that is in rewards and recognition.
So what sets us apart from other companies that do what we do is our attention to detail, level of customer service, the fact that we set the bar high and we meet it or exceed it every single time.
We customize our programs from the ground up, everything from the initial loss notice, to questions we ask at the time we're taking the loss notice, to how we manage the repair to their vehicle, through the customized reports that we provide, and even the invoicing that we provide at the end of the process.
We're helping people on a personal level get through the trauma of that situation. Actual handling of the claim is a commodity, but the communications back and forth with the client are the human element that create the service that they purchase.
It's actually very special that they can reach us 24/7. We do actually work knowing that we can provide that service, that we can get anybody out of a situation that they may not normally be able to get out of, getting them off the side of the road. Instruction is never leave a driver stranded. We will always make sure that we go above and beyond to make sure that the driver is taken care of and they're in a safe place once we're off the call with them.
From claims intake to claims handling to body repairs, every facet of accident management that a fleet company could need, we provide.